how to backup photos and videos to USB drive on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button. Then, using this adapter, we're going to connect it to the phone and then plug in your USB drive. Now after that, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. In here, tap on external storage transfer. Then tap on USB storage. Now wait for that to finish. Then tap on custom and tap on next. Now make sure everything is deselected, and then we go down and select images and videos. Now if you want to select individual items, you can tap on the right hand arrow. In here you can choose which item to backup and which items to exclude. Okay, so tap on done. And here I can also choose which items I want to backup. So I can deselect all of them and choose just say one or two items. And after that, you can then scroll down and tap on backup. And here it will now start to backup photos and videos to the USB drive. So it is now backing up in progress. You can tap on the keep screen on so that the screen won't switch off during this process. Okay, once it has finished, so here still got a few seconds left. Just wait for that to finish. Then you can review what has been backup. So you can review the files and then tap on next, then tap on done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.